Yeah, you can go straight on.
So I'm thinking quadruple DRS on every wheel. Oh, this is not aerodynamic. So that's 1,000 laps, Milstein?
Yes.
1,000 laps?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
They're not leaking, so they did a good job. But you don't have camera plates, do you?
No.
No. Yeah, we need to get some.
Yeah, but...
Oh, huh? What's that? Weight reduction.
Yes.
Natural.
But this thing we want to
Cut it.
it and make it flat.
Yeah, that's good. That's good.
Nice.
You have the exhaust hanging a bit down.
It's not fixed.
This is amazing.
Yeah.
I love it.
You can definitely do a flat floor.
Nice. So what materials are you thinking eventually?
We can do it in 2 ways. Carpet or aluminum.
I want to do a splitter.
You want to do a splitter?
Yeah.
And this is the thing my father did.
Look, her dad 3D printed the brake cooling.
Nice.
That's like the...
But
So you have cooling
without
ducts?
a scanner. It
Without?
was only...
By eye.
by eye, yeah.
Do you you want a bit of extension?
If it's good for driving.
Yes. Well.
So for me...
For the small one, not.
So I trust you. You can do what you want.
Yeah. I would personally go like straight in, so it locks in, and it stiffens up also the front, and then we just do flat. Even if you're planning on cutting it, you still have the exhaust.
Yeah.
So the only other option is, but you need to have the tip. So the other option was to cut the exhaust here and have it dump into the diffuser, but
Okay, yeah.
Then we go full blown diffuser on the photo. The central pipe. Make it a central pipe. Good morning, evening, afternoon. Hope you're doing well. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Vulcan Alpha. Welcome back, Vika, to Vulcan Alpha. Nice shirt you're having, by the way. Check out the shirt in the video description. Yeah, we thought that the fastest polo of the ring could get maybe a bit faster because Vika was complaining that we were losing 5 kilometers per hour top speed with my fat 100 kilos on the passenger side. So we're gonna try to make a flat floor that should actually compensate probably for that 5 kilometers per hour. So we're gonna see. We have some reference laps. We're gonna do some scanning. We're gonna do some magic. And we're gonna come up with some budget-friendly solution for this type of car, and also, of course, for the tubable solution that does not require too much of investment into tube approvals, as long as the stuff doesn't stick out, etc. So yeah, let's see what we can come up with. Very, very excited. Yeah.
you can go up with a fully non-drilled or solid. It really, solid is a bit better because it scavenges the gas when you break the pad where it contacts the disc. Create some gases, and with a slotted one it cleans the gas from it, so you have a bit more consistent pedal feel. But just don't put drilled ones because don't do much.
So
they look
we
cool.
need to search a new company.
No,
because I don't know, Zimmermann.
They do flat ones.
Yeah.
It's better to have flat ones. You have more. You have the drill that the holes don't do basically anything, and it creates only problems.
Done?
Like that, we're done, yeah.
Okay. How complicated is it?
Not.
Oh. So it's not a GT3 complication?
No, it's going to be very straightforward.
Almost.
But cool,
Huh?
nonetheless.
Definitely. It's the secret and spices in the simplicity of things. So that's the grandma's box, huh? Very fluff and cute. What do you have inside? What's in the box?
Everything.
Ooh, nice. Helmet, oil. Nice.
Everything.
Wrench. Extra buckles. Very
So
nice.
everything.
Very cool. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday
To you. Happy birthday, dear Gio. Happy birthday to you.
So make a wish.
Blow it.
May E36 never leak oil. Another wish, please.
This is from Maggie for your birthday.
This is from all of us.
Oh, it's a yes.
Good job.
Yes. Thank you, guys.
Yeah. So you have in your apartment from us.
Yeah, a little bit less empty.
So the part about BMW documents is that you will see in an upcoming video. We got Gio a BMW 318 IS engine with a gearbox, I think, right? Yeah, the whole thing basically for his E36, which was for sale, but we made a barter, which includes basically Maggie's old E46 316.
Yes.
So
yes. Finally get rid of that.
yeah, I think that's a good deal. Yeah, the full car in return for an engine and a gearbox. Yeah.
That's just because it's Gio in question. That's why.
Yes.
Thank you.
All right, cake.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, done with the fun.
Tiramisu that's leaking coffee.
Tiramisu leaking coffee, nice. And then
Nice.
cinnamon rolls. Cut my cake into pieces.
Misha, no.
What?
Sorry for this, but
That's fine.
otherwise it's gonna be.
I'll take it as is. I'm not picky.
It's gonna taste the same, so.
Exactly. And it's gonna look even worse in my stomach. Thank you! By the way, a quick teaser of what we are having here in our yard. Some Clio with some Aero that we already did a lap. I'm about to hop in this Fiesta ST. And then over there, there's some very wild Opel Speedster / VX220 peeking out that I'm very excited to drive for all the reasons. So that, of course, on the quotation marks main channel, because to be honest, I really enjoy making videos for this channel. In a way more. We finished with the lap already, so a quick fast forward. The Speedster, fantastic, what a fantastic machine. Whew, I had a bit of a challenge with seating position, but it was amazing. And we were done in time because it started raining. Ah, look at him smiling.
Yeah, this is
Look at him.
forever. Best cars here.
Can confirm, it's really, really good.
Yeah.
It was amazing. Gives me more excitement to finish yours.
Yes.
So when's it gonna be finished?
By the end of the month. Next month. It has to. There's no other option.
Yeah, so I think we might as well say it. We're gonna try to bring it to Ultrace. So now you have commitment. If it's not gonna be there, it's all Lapa's fault.
No pressure.
Pressure. Yeah, we did a lap. This is a piece for a vlog because onboard will probably follow because it was fun. Not a lap with Vika, it was good fun, good fun.
So you enjoy it, yeah?
Yeah, I tried to have a nap. Well, on a serious note, people that I trust, I close my eyes and feel the track and see if I can notice some irregularities, like people overtaking us or something, or us going off the line. And it was good fun. It was good fun. Didn't even follow. It was very nice. Today, a lot of people went out with you for a lap. Maggie, Marta, Lapo, Pablo. So Gio still needs to go out. Nice, very good end of the day. I love it. Very, very lovely.
I told you it was the last lap.
Front left, he said.
Yeah.
Oh,
But this is not so bad. Really, this is not so bad.
you're on the court. How is this not bad?
This is really not so bad.
Lap time.
No, 2 more laps is possible.
No, let's not do that.
No, I have CRS in my apartment.
Oh.
So for the next time I change it. And I
Yeah.
hope I find someone who had the Yokohama
Yeah.
in my size.
So basically, long story short, it's now the end of the day. The track just got closed, and Vika was like, "Who wants to go for one last lap?" I'm like, "Yeah, I'll do that." I tried to have a nap on the lap, but it was a bit too wild to have a nap. But it was still fun. So yeah, I mean, ta-da! What is happening now is the guys are going to swap Gio's E36, not M3, but 318 or 16, something very slow, for an 318 IS from Ross. This car and that guy and this car. But you know, we car guys don't remember faces, we remember car faces. So that's his cocky 36. Yeah, it's been a fantastic day. Very interesting last laps, and many other laps. It's been amazing. So tomorrow probably there's going to be a swap video of the E36 coming, and after that we're gonna have the 24 hours of Nürburgring week. So I'm gonna try to make as much content as possible to show you how it is going as a driver, from a driver perspective. And then of course there's going to be like a full-on video where I'm gonna show the actual race on the main channel. Yeah, so stay tuned for that. Subscribe, like and share, give us all the follows in the world, because we need them. I wonder if we're going to crack 100,000 followers or subscribers at the end of the year, before the end of the year for this channel, but I think it should be possible. The views are amazing, the comments are amazing. I hope you guys are enjoying this video, the videos, not just this video, all the videos, and see you in the upcoming video tomorrow. So thanks for watching. Bye.